This week, we recognize an exceptional group of champions in the Marquez Elementary School Robotics program. After losing everything in the Palisades Wildfires, these resilient students started over from the beginning, rebuilt their robots, and went on to win the prestigious Judges Award at a national robotics competition in Iowa, as well as earning a spot at the World Championship competition held in Dallas earlier this month. Congratulations, team, and thank you for inspiring us all with your perseverance and determination.
Today we're here at Marquez at Norris Dairy, and we are practicing for an upcoming competition. So today is a regular practice. This team has been through so much since January. We lost a lot, and so Ms. Revelo and I, my fellow coach, were thinking, what do we do? You know, their robots were there. We have, state competitions coming up. We have our league competition coming up.
We as coaches didn't think that the families or the students would want to continue with robotics. There's so much more going on. But it was a parent that reached out to us and said, can we still continue?
For them, it was like a hopeful moment, They were like, it's something to look forward to, something for them to focus on, and so the families all said yes. The first time they built their robots in August, it took them 2 weeks. This time it took them 2 days.
So we've built a new bot. We call it Hole-in-One because, again, it never misses a shot. We've done it with so many people's help.
We're really proud that we were able to rebuild the robot and all, because we had to get donations from other schools for all the other pieces and able to get all the supplies together again. We never thought of giving up, though. We always just planned to find a new area to gather and meet and build our new robot.
Robotics in general, it's all about not giving up. It's about problem solving. It's about trying different things, finding out what works.
They were just amazing. They're resilient, and we're so proud of them. And they had such grit, right? Perseverance.